Thanks for choosing religion. Let's begin. Byzantium was a Christian empire that branched off of Rome in AD 330, when Constantinople became the capital of Rome. When the Pope and the Patriarch of Byzantium fought about whether or not you could pray to icons or a statue or picture of the saints and God, the Patriarch banned this kind of prayer. This started extremely violent battles within the empire. To take action in ending this violence, the Pope excommunicated the Emperor, which meant that he could no longer be any part of the Christian Church in any way. A later emperor restored the use of icons, but the conflict still continued between the people to the point at which both the Pope and the Patriarch excommunicated each other, creating a permanent split or schism between the two churches. Because of the year, this split was later called the Schism of 1054. These two branches of Christianity that were split in the schism then became known as the Eastern Orthodox Church and the Western Roman Catholic Church. As you can see, even though religion was a way of life that was meant to unite all people under one God, it eventually led to fighting and hatred between two sides of the same belief. Thanks for listening. Click on the link in the box for the next video.